Everyone, my name is Saidu. I'm a recent graduate of UB St. Augustine with a degree in civil engineering, and I did my final year electives in structural engineering and coastal engineering. As a civil engineering graduate in the Caribbean, it's important to know about our coast and the threats that our coast faces due to coastal erosion and natural disasters. And it's important so that we will be able to better design and implement mitigation strategies and structures that will protect our coastline. Around the time that the competition was announced, our coastal engineering class had a field trip to a site in Capdeville in South Trinidad where coastal erosion was occurring, and they were building a revetment structure there to protect the coastline. And while we were there, about 1 kilometer down the line where no work was being done, the coastline was still being eroded, and the engineers there were talking about how much the coastline has eroded over the years and how that has affected the people that were living there. Coastal erosion has been occurring at this site for the past couple of decades, and while I was researching for this competition, I was able to pull up some historical images on Google Earth which showed me how the coastline was eroded over the years, and I saw that over a period of about 20 years, the coastline eroded about 40 meters, which is quite a lot. And upon seeing that, a few solutions immediately came to mind. First and foremost, there's the traditional, hard engineering solutions to coastal erosion that we learn about in school. These would include structures such as revetments, which are the large interlocking rocks that dissipate the wave energy and protect the coastline from erosion. And there's also things like seawall. However, these solutions are not always the most sustainable or eco-friendly, and as such they can be used in conjunction with more eco-friendly approaches such as planting beach-friendly vegetation like vetiver grass and mangroves, and we all know how important mangroves are to our coastline. Secondly, we can go one step further, and in addition to protecting our shoreline at the coast itself, we can install offshore structures like artificial offshore coral reefs, which, apart from creating an ecosystem for the aquatic flora and fauna, they will function as natural coral reefs too, and they will be able to dissipate the incident wave energy before reaching the coastline, which will reduce the probability of coastal erosion occurring. And finally, these construction and installation projects can be accompanied by a program of beach nourishment. This can be traditional beach nourishment, which might be the translocation of pre-existing beach sand, but a more sustainable approach would be to create new beach sand by the crushing of glass waste. And this process can not only build up our beaches, but it can also recycle and repurpose some of our glass waste.